Hello student, I am Dr. Bharat Yelgadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as the KTHM College. Student, our subject title is Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper number is 4 and code number is GGDT114. Now student, first topic, Introduction to Population and Settlement Geography. In the first topic, will be introduced for first topic. Now this topic is definition of population geography. Means what is the population geography? We will be discuss on the population geography and geography. Means population studies and geography will be discussed. The point means population study have for long been the subject of concern for social scientists, including the geographers. The varying the content and methodologies of different disciplines studying population notwithstanding, each social science has made a valuable contribution toward the understanding of spatial temporal pattern of population. In geography, the study of population distribution has been the focus of traditional human geography since long. Along with traditional geography, has been classified into the physical and human geography. Yet, the place of man in geography has been the matter of academic dispute among the geographical themselves, since such as a questioning could be attributed to a relatively greater learning of earlier geographers toward the study of natural environment. Naturally, so as geography had since long been considered as earth science, where the study of the earth received greater attention than in inhabitants. However, with the increasing of acceptance of the nation and that geography was one of the social science, the publication by geographers pertaining of population and associated problem have been multiplying. The shift in the focus of geographers from the study of environment to that man has been the gradual. In France, contribution Vidal de Blas, Jean Bruns and Maximilien Sorey were significant of giving anthropogenic orientations to geography. In United Kingdom, the contribution of Arthur Gates in 1941 signals as growing awareness among geographers about the significance of population studies in geography. In the United States, a part of the population studies by Brecker in 1928 and McKay in 1948, which are the incidental to investigation of economic questions in the then then Arthur Association and Jefferson has contributed several papers emphasizing the need for greater attention to this subfield. The year 1953, however, which was significant divided in the history of development of this subfield. It was in this year the Trivarta come out one of the most excellent statement of the subject while delivering of the presidential address before the Association of American Geographers. So he case for population geography in 1953 stimulated geography to the study of man and area, characterizing of area differential elements. Consequently, both of the quantum and the quality of work that could be described as a population geography increased since 1953. No wonder, since then the number of courses of population geography being taught in the geography department of the universities all over the world is increasing commensurately than the most important question according to the info. However, the center of the path that population geography has traversed and the methodology is the practitioners have been adopted this attempt to gain a better understanding of the spatial dimension of population and its attributes. To explore this, lets us examine the concept of population geography as exposed to major contribution in the field. This is the population geography. Now, student, this is the population geography, and now go to the next point. Means the first point is introduction of population geography. In the population and settlement geography, mainly in the geography is the first one is the physical geography and human geography are the two main branches of geography, also known as. Means in the physical geography with the study of the nature of distribution and physical or natural phenomena over the surface of the earth. In the physical geography means will be in physical geography will study of nature and distribution of physical or natural phenomena where over the surface of the earth. Means in the study of nature distribution of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, river, glacier and rocks from the important part of the geographical study in the physical geography. Now in also study of the physical or natural phenomena and process such as evapotranspiration, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind. Okay, this is the some physical concept, physical phenomena will be studied in the physical geography. Now go to the human geography is a relatively new branch of geography. Is a relatively of new branch of in comparison. Physical geography is an older and more developed branch of geography. Now in human geography studies is the cultural landscape. Is human geography means human geography studies only cultural landscape, including first one is language, settlement, industrial establishment, and which are the mates. This is the basic difference for physical geography and human geography. Means physical geography is the study for all the nature distribution and physical phenomena, natural phenomena, and human geography is the human geography studies the cultural landscape phenomena. These are the two basic difference from physical geography and human geography. Now go to the next one. Next one is in human geography we study the nature of distribution of this aspect and their relationship with the physical landscape. It is a very fantastic things. In human geography we study the nature of distribution of these aspect and their relation with the physical landscape. Now in physical and human geography both are the several sub branches. First, physical geography and human geography both are the several sub branches. For example, a geomorphology, soil geography, climatology are the important sub branches of physical geography. In this sub branch of particular aspect of the physical environment are studied. Means the physical geography, these are the some branches of physical geography like human geomorphology, soil geography, climatology. These are the some important sub branch of physical geography, and this sub branch of particular aspect in physical environment will be studied. Now here is for example in the geomorphology we will study characteristics of features, origin and distribution of physical features on the surface of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plain, etc. and rivers. These are the some process will now studied in geomorphology, in sub branch of physical geography. In the soil geography, now another example in soil geography, this is given the study of the type of soil, the structure of soil, then distribution of soil, then chemical and composition of soil, then horizon of soil. These are the different studies in the soil geography. These are the sub branch of the physical geography. Now in human geography also several sub branches. For example, economic geography deal with the economic activity. Means human geography, these are the sub branch. For example, economic geography, agriculture geography, then population geography, then settlement geography, then trade and transport geography, then trade geography, then transport geography. These are the then commercial geography. These are the some branches of human geography. For example, economic geography deal with the economic activity, their distribution and their relationship with the geographical personality of the region. This is the first one in the human geography. Now in political geography another one more sub branch of human geography. This political geography studies the relationship between the geographical factors and political structure, form of government etc. of a country. This is the another one more things in the political geography. The relationship between geographical factors and political structure means the political structure is depend on geographical factor. This is a very important is the relationship between the in the study in political geography. Now go to the next one. Next is the population geography is recently developed. Now, the population geography is the recently developed, specialized and sub-branch of human geography. Now, the scope of branch geography is very vast. The today is treated as independent and specialized branch of geography. Now, geography is the study of the nature and distribution of physical and cultural factors over the surface of the earth. Now, population is itself is one of the important aspect which is various over the surface of the earth. This is the very much things here. Now, in population geography, we study the distribution of population, its growth and characteristics, its religious and linguistic composition, sex ratio, age composition, migration, standard of living, and its economic structure. These are the some features will be studied in population geography. Mean first one is the distribution of population. Its growth is population growth. Then its population characteristics. What is the religions, types of religions, types of linguistics. Then linguistic composition, sex ratio. This which were factors are affecting the sex ratio. Then age composition, migration, standard of living, and economic structure. These are the some feature in the study in population geography. Now, we also studied for adoption of various human groups, their respective environment and different part of the world is mainly here will be discussed. Now, various aspect and various population have been studied since long, also known as population geography. It observed that preceding the geography is the population is one of the recent sport from the renewable trunks in science of geography. And T. Trivarta, one of the United States of perhaps the most important personality innovative population studies to the status of systematic branch of geography. He not only reminded the geographer to the neglect man had been suffered at their hands, but also focused their attention on the significance of the role of man in determining the character of the area. According to Trivarta, man was the point from which all the other elements are observed and derive their meaning and significance. Thus, it is the population that the furnish of the focus. While defining population geography, Trivarta trace that is the we concern with understanding the regional differentiation in the earth covering of people, such as the content of Trivarta as view in the context of our science and central themes of which are the understanding of a process and spatial organization, wherein population contribution is the most dynamic elements. It is difficult to support the Trivarta's content of the definition of population geography has been formulated in the context of the nature of geography area. Differentiation in the central theme of geography is general and the population is geography is particular, since man is not only the utilizer of physical earth but also the creator of the cultural earth. Trivarta has justified the placing man is the center geographical thinking without the debating or the justification of the criteria of Trivarta, who is here the placing of the man and the poet may be turn all geography into the population geography, and credit must be given by to Trivarta for his classic case of population geography, which had served a useful purpose in the sense that population geography came to the acceptance as a distinct branch of geography since then. Such as the acceptance was probably facilitated by the shift in emphasis from the traditional regional geography to the systematic geography that is already taking the place in the field of geography. Now, on the as a population geography, it consists more one of the recently developed branch in geography. The study the subject matter of and full content of this field, subfield and be debatable. However, man has been considered the most disputed and well established core of population geography, and the various aspects of man have become emerged at its subject matter. Now, means in 1953 is the Trivarta offer the tentative scheme of content of organization material in population geography is confined geography of population in past. Geography population numbers mean including the distribution. We already discussed distribution, density, then migration, growth, then including in and etc. and quantities of population and their regional pattern of distribution, including physical as well as economic qualities. It was not until 1969 that is the Trivarta attempt a book geography of populations. This Trivarta book word pattern where is the silently modified the content, it dividing book into only two parts. First part is dealing with the geography of population in the past, and second, which is the characteristics of population, is biological, social, culture, and economics. These are the some introduced by the Trivarta is the population geography mainly study. Now, there are some definition of population geography. What is the mean by population and what is the mean by population geography will be discussed here. Now, according to the Donald Bogue, is the demography is the study of the size, population structure, characteristics, change in all these wishes, health, fertility, mortality, migration, marriage, and social mobility. These are the demography. These are the size of population structure, characteristics, change is all the which is the help of the fertility, mortality, migration, and social mobility. Means these are the some characters. These are the fertility, mortality, migration, and marriage. These are the some social mobility. These are the some characteristics we will study in the size of population structure, which the demography means is the population. Okay, this is the population geography. Now, according to Thomson and David Lewis, demography is the study of characteristics of various human groups, their distribution, change of population, and its effect to the relation to well-being of the society. These are the some definition will be discussed in population geography. And now the GT Trivarta is confirmed in the scope of population geography to the population in the past, distribution of population, density, migration, growth, qualities of population, and their regional pattern of distribution. This is the definition of the Trivarta is the scope of population will be in the past, distribution of population, density, migration, growth, qualities of population, and their regional pattern of distribution. Now is divided, is already taught. The divided books is the GT Trivarta book is divided two parts. New first part is dealing with the first part dealing with the geography of population in the past, and second with all the characteristics of populations. Means this Trivarta's book is divided two parts. One first part will be dealing with geography of population past, and second with characteristics of populations. Now this means according to Trivarta population geography studies the characteristics of various human groups found the different geographical regions. Now go to the next definition. Okay, population geography. According to Clark, population geography studies the characteristics of various human groups. This very important definition. The population geography is the characteristics of human groups found the different geographical regions and their relationship with the physical and cultural and economic factors. Means this is the population geography. Now population geography studies the characteristics of various human group found the different geographical regions. These characteristics means their relations of physical, human, and cultural factors. Means these physical, cultural, human factors and the different geographical region and found the different human groups. According is the study in the study is the population geography. Now go to the Zelensky. Then is the population geography means the study of the process through which is the changing of population with space and time extract is the influence of the on geographical characteristics of the region, at the same time impact of the geographical characteristics of the region on the population. Now in the same process of the changing of space and time, very important word, the changing population with the space and time, it is influence of geographical characteristics of the region and the same time impact of the geographical characteristics of the region and population. Means population geography. In short, in precise, the comprehensive definition of population geography could be means population geography studies the distribution of population over the surface of the earth along with the characteristics and its relation with the geographical personality of the regions, means population geography. This is population geography definitions. For population geography studies, the region reads the distribution of population over the surface of the earth along with the characteristics and its relation with the geographical personality of the regions. Now, next definition. Population geography can be also defined as, first one is the study the distribution of population in various regions in characteristics and impact of geographical personality of the regions, various aspects of population, adoption of the people and their respective geographical surrounding, and the impact of population on the geography is the regions. These are the some definition of population geography. Means in this definition, the study of the distribution of population in various regions. First one is the study of the distribution of population in its various regions, its characteristics, impact of geographic personality of the regions, various aspects of population and adoption of the people with the respective geographical surrounding and the impact of population on the geography of regions. Now, next on its topic is define the population geography, the study the distribution of human population over the terrestrial surface and try to explain. These the try. First one is the studies the distribution of human population over the terrestrial surface is and try to explain the difference that such population of same places present compared to others, like as structure, internal dynamic, space mobility, way of light and activity. This is the some features, some things will be studied in population geography. These are the some definition of population geography. Means population geography means the study of the distribution of population in various regions and its characteristics. These are the sum and its impact of geographical personality of the region on various aspects of population and adoption of the people, their respective geographical surrounding and the impact of population on the geography of the regions. Now, these are the many questions. Student will be complete. Now, first topic is the definition of population geography. Now, different scholars will be here discuss for the different scholar definition. Now, means population geography means then student any questions, any query. Today lecture me ask any time your my mail ID here. Now, any thank you mail ID here. Now, tomorrow, the next lecture will be continue for nature of population geography. Tomorrow, next day will be continue. Thank you very much.